Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change or update your Weebly website subdomain? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the subdomain for your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you just set up your Weebly website, you know that it's a free subdomain, so you can customize that subdomain so it appears more like it's from your business. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change or update your Weebly subdomain, first make sure you're working in the correct website. So if you click up here on the left, this drop down, it's going to show all the different websites you have. Go ahead and choose the correct website. Okay, so once you've chosen, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on this button here, websites. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down, and you want to click on domains. Okay, so here you're going to see all of your Weebly subdomains. You can see I have this one right here, and go ahead and just choose the one that you want to change or correct. And then off to the right, you're going to see this blue edit button. Click on there. Once you click there, you can go ahead and add a custom domain. But if you simply want to change the subdomain, you're going to open up this button right here. Okay, so here you can see the current Weebly subdomain. So you can easily just add on to it, or you can go ahead and delete the whole thing. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and just add into it. Okay, so once you have the Weebly subdomain that you want, go ahead and click on the blue change button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. You're going to see this green confirmation. Now just note that if you have your subdomain links out there in the world, like maybe on Facebook or Instagram or something like that, you need to make sure that you go back and update those, because your old Weebly subdomain is no longer going to work. It's going to be a broken link. In fact, I would probably recommend you make a list of everything you need to change so that we can change it immediately. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to update or change your Weebly subdomain, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.